Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. First off, before we start this, I want to tell you guys, I was in Poshmark Jail. Poshmark Share Jail. It's a real thing. It's a real thing. Poshmark cracks down on shit, and you know, you're still gonna have people out there that'll be like, oh, it'll never happen to me. It's never gonna happen to me. Bullshit. It will. Eventually, it will. So, I was in Poshmark Share Jail. How to get there? Well, apparently there's a share limit. There's a 24-hour share limit of 10,000 shares. So I apparently went over that limit. How did I do that, you ask? That's a lot of shares in 24 hours. Yes, it is. Well, my sharing tool that I use, which is conveniently called Poshmark Sharing Tool, it just came out with an update called No Scroll Mode. Yeah, it's amazing. So backing up, if you don't know what Poshmark Sharing Tool is, it's not a bot. You still have to do it manually. It is Poshmark compliant because all it does is allow you to view your Poshmark closet differently. So instead of having the individual listings going across, it has bars going down. So you still have to do it manually, and you used to have to scroll down. Now, well, that option's still available, but now there's a no scroll mode where basically you just click on something and it disappears and the next one appears under it. So you literally don't have to move your mouse. You can literally just go da 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 da. So you can share your closet so fast. Well, I started doing that Saturday night. I was in bed, I was watching a movie, and it's just like mindless tapping. And apparently I shared my closet. I had to have shared it 12 times in order for me to go over the 10,000 limit because I have 780 something active listings. So I had to share it like 12 and a half times or something like that in order to go over the limit. So apparently I did that. So I know some of you guys will be like, oh my God, 12 times, that takes a long time, but no. With the Poshmark Sharing Tool, no scroll mode, oh my gosh, it does not take long at all. Yeah, I was in Poshmark Share Jail. I was unable to share. It was for 3 hours the first time, and then I was able to share and I started sharing again, and then I was in jail again, and because I hadn't figured it out yet, I was like, what's going on? I emailed Poshmark, they got back to me, they're like, oh, help us figure out, you know, what's going on. I'm like, yeah, I need you guys to actually tell me what's going on because I have no idea. This was before I knew Poshmark Share Jail. Well, the first time I think it was only like 3 or 4 hours, and then the second time it was all day Sunday, and then I tried to share when I went to bed last night, but I wasn't able to share. Poshmark Share Jail is a thing. It's real. It happens. It sucks. So now I am cognizant of how many times I'm sharing my closet. Oh yeah, today's YouTube payday. Just realized that I just got my notification that I got paid. I just wanted to tell you guys that because I'm always real with you guys. I was in Poshmark Share Jail. First question, if you get a lowball offer, do you decline it or counter offer? I've talked about this in so many videos. Never decline, never decline, never, ever, ever decline. Counter offer always, counter offer always, always, always counter. I mean, unless you want to lose a sale. But yeah, I always counter. I know sometimes it can get annoying. Sometimes I go back and forth a million times, not a million, but a lot, with a buyer, and sometimes they don't end up buying it, sometimes they do, but I do it, I counter, because you never know. You never know. Well, I don't know why some people get so bent out of shape about it, because it's not like it takes a lot of time to counter offer. You know, like it's not like it's time consuming all day to counter offer. Like you can just tap a button and you send a counter offer. Yes, it does get annoying to go back and forth, obviously, but I do it because I want to get a sale, you know, and if you don't care about getting sales, if you don't care, then decline, but I always counter. Okay, next question. What's the max amount of money you'll pay for an item? Do you set a budget when you go out sourcing? So no, I don't set a budget when I go out sourcing, and the max amount I pay, it really depends on the item. It really does, because some items I'll pay up for, other items I won't. So yeah, I can't give you like a set number. Next question. Hi Vanessa, your videos are great. Thank you, Shelly. I sold my first bundle and noticed the sold listing still had the original price of the items. What do I need to change? What do I need to do to change that? Because I don't think my total numbers will reflect properly. Thank you. Okay, so that happens when you sell a bundle. The sold listing will say the original price of the item, not the bundle price. Maybe Poshmark doesn't want to do the math. I don't know. It's kind of annoying, especially if you're checking out sold comps, because you don't know if that was the actual amount that the item sold for, if it was sold, or if it was sold in a bundle. As far as it reflecting in your numbers, it will reflect what it actually sold for. I just realized I have this stuff in the background. I filmed a haul video before this if you want to see what these are. watch that whole video. This video will probably be out before that video. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.